Okonomiyaki is a popular Japanese savory pancake. The term okonomiyaki literally means what you like fried and is suggestive of its customizability. Ingredients may vary depending on, well, what you like. But there are two basic styles of okonomiyaki, the Osaka style and the Hiroshima style. Osaka okonomiyaki, where all of the ingredients are mixed in a batter, has become very popular and would typically be what you would get if you order an okonomiyaki in Japan or at a Japanese restaurant in your country. Hiroshima okonomiyaki, on the other hand, is prepared by stacking layers of the ingredients, with one distinct ingredient which the Osaka kind does not have: yakisoba noodles, only in Hiroshima. Delish! We ordered the most basic Hiroshima okonomiyaki to get a taste of what it is without the frills and special ingredients. First, the batter is placed on the hot plate to cook, followed by cabbage and tempura crisps for that crunchy mouthfeel. Then comes the thinly sliced pork belly, which is almost like bacon, so you can just imagine how yummy this is going to be. The okonomiyaki is then flipped to make sure the meat is cooked. While it's cooking, the yakisoba is prepared. And as any seasoned cook will tell you, pun intended, don't forget to season everything. After shaping the yakisoba into a noodle pie, it's time to put the other layers on top of it. And then we add 2 fried eggs, and this dish has now become a complete meal. Next, in a display of culinary expertise, the cook must flip everything without disassembling the layers. A generous serving of okonomiyaki sauce is smothered on top, together with more fine bonito and nori flakes. Somewhere around here, scallions are supposed to be added, but sorry, I don't eat scallions, so you won't see them here. And hey, that's the entire point of okonomiyaki. You only put what you like. We asked for the okonomiyaki to be split in 2 for sharing, and then it's time for the best part, the taste test. The usual way of eating it is by using a small metal spatula, which I am using here. It's a mouth party from the first bite. Hiroshima is such a worthwhile stop when visiting Japan. From advocating for peace at the atomic bomb dome, enjoying nature at Miyajima Island, to feasting on okonomiyaki, Hiroshima has many more delights for you to discover. The Wandering Wanderer left footprints at Hiroshima.